Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to make a banner. To start, simply log into your Canva account or create a new one for free. Next, you can choose a custom size, perhaps 900 by 300 pixels for a website header, or browse through hundreds of pre-designed templates. Always think about where your banner will be displayed to ensure the perfect dimensions and visual impact. Now, let's dive into designing your banner's layout. You can begin by selecting a captivating background, whether it's a solid color, an engaging image, or even a short video clip. Then, add your key message using text. Canva offers hundreds of fonts, allowing you to customize colors, sizes, and styles to perfectly match your brand's voice. Don't forget to explore the vast library of elements, including shapes, icons, and high-quality photos, to truly make your banner pop. To make your banner uniquely yours, focus on customization and branding. Canva allows you to easily upload your own brand assets, including your company logo and specific brand fonts. It's crucial to use your brand colors consistently throughout the design to ensure a cohesive and professional appearance across all your platforms. Take time to fine-tune the details, adjusting the transparency, precise position, and layering of elements to achieve that perfectly polished and impactful look. Finally, it's time to download and share your amazing new banner. Choose the best file format for your needs. PNG is great for high-quality web images, while JPG is ideal for smaller file sizes. Always double-check that the resolution is appropriate for where it will be used, whether on a website, social media, or even printed. Once downloaded, you can easily share your banner directly to various social media platforms or embed it seamlessly onto your website. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.